get ready with me for teaching practice. Day 1. I actually woke up quite up and going. I know tomorrow I'm definitely gonna struggle, but anyway, first this is for roll-on. I'm gonna use to put on my body. My face has been dry, and then my legs. My arms are probably like doulos. I put on my pantyhose. I'll be warm. With this all white set from Shein Bible verse top on. I need all the Bible verses in this world for today. Quite nervous, even though I'm going to the same school. It's a big adjustment to do because I was off for 2 months. Now I'm going back to school 4 months. I'm gonna wear the socks. I mag week sommer nou. This is a B I'm wearing. I always wear this the first day of teaching practice. Like last year, I reduced. That's why I have a washing machine. I repeat all my outfits if I must. These are the shoes I'm gonna wear. Imagine my hair was curly still. I would have struggled. I'm gonna wear this watch. The rings. What I used was the Essence. I'll first put some Vaseline on my gloss. Adidas and O70 body spray. Because I'm late. This coat from my girlfriend. She gave it to me. Cute basic fit. Put on a beanie because my hair is lekker fresh. Klaar gebom, julle klaar.